and welcome back. Andre is joining me today because, as you can hear, I can't talk as much. My throat hurts, I'm very nasally, but it's also a really fun video.
It is a fun video.
You want to introduce it?
Today it's all about PR swag
Yes.
that we get sent.
Yes. So this is non-makeup, it's not beauty, it's not skincare. It's basically the stuff that gets sent along with that stuff.
To impress people.
Yes.
Let's see how impressive it really is.
Let's go for it.
All right, so we got the first one. We have this Bumble and Bumble
It's a hair care brand.
MP3 wireless speaker.
Yeah, I'm kind of impressed that they actually have their name on the speaker itself. Like, I was shocked that they actually had that. Have you tried to work this yet? This is actually cool, like going like outside to like a picnic or something.
Yeah, it's a nice little speaker.
Does it say what brand this is? Ultimate Ears? Is that the brand?
So, are we impressed with this or?
I mean, yeah, it's kind of cool. I like that.
This is kind of cool. Like, I could see people use this.
And I'm sure it's just like what, Bluetooth?
Yeah, you connect it to your phone and you just go. I mean, it'd be cool to take this to picnics. I mean, we go to picnics.
Maybe even like noise machine. We like white noise.
I think this is pretty good swag, I would say.
That's actually really
it's
cool.
cool.
All right, what's the next thing?
All right, so next one.
I have a box.
Be ready to get impressed. So Milana doesn't really know.
I don't know a lot what's in there. I know some, but not all of it.
I kind of know, but because
what is that?
I wanted to know. So next we have Fit Wine, Cabernet Sauvignon.
Wait, Fit Wine? There's a guy jogging with a wine glass. So does this mean I can take this with me while I go like to the gym?
Yeah.
And this is my water. This is how I replenish myself with wine?
Obviously.
Obviously.
I feel like these two belong together. To picnic.
Picnic?
We'll have a picnic section, I feel like.
This is for the baby. This is for the mom.
Yeah.
You don't want to taste it?
Okay. Well, I don't know if I should taste alcohol on my
camera.
PG channel.
G, actually.
G channel. Next, check this swag out.
Okay.
I mean, I think you're gonna like this one.
I think this belongs together.
Why?
This
because you're...
It's a romantic time.
Oh, okay.
You got some Fit Wine?
So we have a scented candle for Milana.
So this is from Versed.
So
the skincare brand.
Yeah, so the way we judge if this is good swag or not is you have to, smell it.
Yeah.
And let's see if it's good.
Basket candle. White sage and dark musk. Ooh. It's very... Smell that.
It smells like a man.
Yes, I feel like this is kind of what it smells like in some like hotel bathrooms. And some of those like really kind of moody lobbies.
Yeah,
That's what this reminds me of. It's really nice. It's pleasant.
So good swag.
Yeah.
All right.
It's good swag.
So we're on a roll.
And
do we light it up?
But you never showed them the matches what it says.
Do not disturb.
You see what I mean? No.
Okay.
Who is this sent from? This is what I want to know. This Fit Vine.
Oh, that was Wonder Beauty.
This is from Wonder Beauty?
I think so. There's the...
I have never heard of this brand before. From the... Oh, right here.
Wonder Beauty. Okay.
Okay, this is hilarious.
Cool.
I love the guy running with the bottle. This just makes me laugh. With grapes and then a glass. Wine glass.
Oh, okay. So this is also kind of a cool one.
Oh, yes, the Revlon concealer. I actually reviewed the concealer before I got sent the PR, and I love the concealer. I think it's phenomenal. This is their Skin Awakened Caffeine and Vitamin C concealer, and that's why they sent it with a...
So it's a coffee press.
Yes, a press.
So people who love coffee, I mean, this is perfect, and like the rose gold.
And there's coffee beans in here. It's very clever because of the concealer. It has caffeine. This right here, when we opened it, we were like, wow, this is actually very, very clever that they did the PR this way with the concealers.
Yeah.
$20? Nice.
People get creative. You gotta hand it to the PR teams that these brands have. I mean, they have to do something that's, kind of not over the board expensive, but at the same time, it's like, That's kind of cool.
Yeah. What's next?
Cool. Oh, so this was actually something they use a lot.
But this was actually a gift from Merle and Norman, the team. But basically, we did a video. I believe it was Allures. Was it 2020? And they actually saw the video and they reached out to us and they basically sent us a little PR package with a lot more of their makeup. And this was included in there. That was like the sweetest thing ever. And so many have actually asked what this is, like what I'm wearing. And it's a headband. And we actually found the brand. Very, very expensive. I think it's the brand Lily. I don't know how you pronounce her last name, but I bought some more, not embellished ones, just the regular ones. I have a pink and black one, and I got those from Shop Up when they were on sale. But this is the only headband I found that doesn't give me any headaches, that's knotted, and it's this type of headband where it just goes right behind your ears. Because I find a lot of knotted headbands, they're so tight, and something with the knots, they give you a headache right here. It kind of just goes all the way around. This I can wear all day long for many days straight, never gives me any headaches.
All right, so next one.
Golden Air.
So who is this from?
Golden Air.
Oh, this is it? This is them? I don't know who this is.
They emailed us and just said that they have these watch bands that they thought Milana would want to try. And they let her pick whatever she wanted to.
Are they a makeup brand or who are they?
No,
they're just a watch brand.
Yeah,
Oh, they're just a watch
jewelry
brand. Oh, so they're just trying to advertise. Got it.
Okay.
All right. So this is not swag. This is actually their stuff.
I mean, but it is swag
it's
though.
gifted.
This is PR swag.
Okay, got it.
I haven't tried it out yet because I need to charge my watch. As you can see, it's not here. To put this on.
So this goes on the
An actual Apple Watch.
Apple Watch. There you go.
Here you go. Oh, that's actually really pretty.
There we are.
Wait, I already forgot how to. There you go. It's actually really pretty. I like the textures.
It's rose gold.
Rose gold, okay. And you can, it's stainless steel. And you can take off the cuffs, the links, I mean. Yeah, it's really pretty. I love how subtle it is. It doesn't look intense. It's actually really pretty. You can layer it with other jewelry, like bracelets or something.
It's nice swag. Next, we have...
What is this? I Do Care Kitten Around. Mix and match. What does it say? Mix and match kitten mask collection. What's in here?
Kitten mask collection.
Woo! That popped out.
Okay, so you get a little kitten.
It's like a headband.
Headband kit.
So that way when you wash your face, this is included, That's
Got
actually
it.
cute. Don't we have a couple of these that we bought for a video a while ago?
You have one with a bow.
Oh, with the bow,
Like,
yes.
the Korean skincare.
Yes,
Or
yeah.
makeup.
And then you have a sample of some of their masks. That's cute.
Got it. Okay.
You want to put the mask on? I mean, the headband on?
No, I don't. I'm good. All right. So next we have. What is this, like? You heat
What
it
is
up?
this, babe?
Yeah,
It's like a heat.
Stress mask, eye mask.
Eye mask.
Heat it. You put
You
it in
can
the
heat
microwave.
it. Okay. Or cool it. I don't know.
Do you
Can
remember
cool
what
it?
this was from?
I want to say Burst.
Same. I feel like it was Versed. I feel like this is something Versed would do. Skincare, you want to relax. Lavender. It's very, very calming.
Very scented also.
Yeah, very, very heavily scented. So I feel like
I think this is
silk.
or not.
I don't know, honestly. I don't know. Might be satin, microwave, or the freezer. Ooh, the freezer sounds so good. Put on your eyes to depuff them. That's a cool PR swag. What do you think? For me, it's cool.
I'm not impressed because I never do anything with the eyes.
He's not impressed. Okay, next.
Uh,
Oh, this I remember. We actually ate a lot of these. These were delicious.
so this by Kaja.
Kaja, yeah.
So
Looks
they,
like a pill bottle. So
that.
this came with a PR where I actually never did a video on them. They're new lipsticks. They came in like I actually think I have one right here somewhere. There you go. This right here. This is their little lipsticks. These are so pretty. The formula is stunning. But what makes this really cute was when they came, Emirate thought this was candy also, and he was trying to get into it. But this right here is that kind of candy where it's that sugar candy, and they mold it and then they chop it up, and then it's actually something written inside. So their name is written inside, and then it also says, what is that? Smile face. Is that, I'm reading it right? Smile face? Simple face? I'm so confused. I don't know what that is.
I think we have to take it out. I think that's in reverse.
But these are delicious. I had to stop myself from eating all of them. They taste like strawberries. Strawberries
really?
and cream. Yeah. They're not chewy. They're like legit rock hard candy.
Yeah. Love Swipe.
I think that's like literally what. Yep. Love Swipe.
Love
That's
Swipe.
the name of it.
Okay, so they're advertising themselves while you eat candy.
These are really good. So good.
All right, so we'll have another one. The color is kind of, I don't know.
Ooh, wait. I didn't even know I had this. What is this? Is this a robe?
It's from Essence.
Oh, how cool
So
is
you got
that?
a robe.
Oh, it's a
Here's the
one
mask.
size.
There's a mask, too.
Oh, there's a mask. Babe, I feel like this will fit you.
Is this them?
Hello, good stuff. Yes, you're welcome. Headband, yeah.
No, there's a mask.
Oh, and an eye mask?
Is this them?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so we got another one. So these guys outperformed the other
First.
mask.
Well, I don't know if you can put this in the microwave or cool it
Well,
off.
I mean, you got like all sorts of, you got like 3 pieces instead of just 1 piece.
That's cute. Here, you can put this on. On your head.
Just like this.
No, on your head. When you wash your face and your hair doesn't get wet.
Do I look like a Karate Kid?
You look like Karate Kid. You're so cute. I love the cucumber.
Where's Emmerich when we need him? He'll want this on right away.
So weighted.
So
Ooh, it's filled with lentils. So you can eat this when you wanna, I don't know.
During the zombie apocalypse.
I know that Emmerich will for sure like this.
This is actually cute. It has pockets in the robe. That's actually really sweet.
How do you like the color?
I mean, it's very purple.
Very purple.
Try to see. It's made with 60% cotton and 40% polyester.
Okay, at least got some
It's
cotton
very
in
soft, isn't it? It's very soft.
it. Yeah, it's soft.
This is a fun PR for like, what is that called? Like where you pamper yourself.
We have this bag with goodies in it. So what do we have here? So it's a makeup bag.
No, I
Is it?
think you just use it as a makeup bag.
So we got it's kind
And
of
it's
a
included
makeup
with-
bag, but they have their own makeup in here.
Yeah, but this is really cool.
So yeah, this is from Velour Lash
yeah.
Care.
Lashes in here, some other stuff, lash kit. But I thought this was actually really cool that they sent this along because you can just reuse this yourself.
Yeah,
Honestly, you can even use this as like a little tote.
yeah. We
Like
don't
a
know,
little-
but okay.
You just carry it with you.
All right, so did we almost go through? So we got a few more things left. We have this beautiful hat.
The bucket hat. Are they still in style? And it's huge.
Wow, that is big.
Maybe it's supposed to be this big, so you can just hide yourself from everybody. But you know what this reminds me of?
What?
Reminds me of my grandma.
She likes this type of hat.
Yeah, she was going blind towards the end of her life, so light would really affect her. And she would always wear a bucket hat. And she would always wear it, like kind of closing her eyes whenever she'd go outside. So it's actually making me really sad. Making me miss her.
Okay, let's not.
No, I feel like you need to try it on. I've never seen you in a bucket hat. See, even fits your head perfectly. Do we need matching bucket hats? Ember has this yellow bucket hat that he loves.
Yeah, we might have to.
We need to
might
get
have to.
matching bucket hats. Who wore it better? Should we fix your hair?
Yeah.
It looks
All right,
good.
and I think we have last one. The best one, I think.
You say the best for last?
Yeah, I tried to. So we have a.
Oh, you were excited about this.
I was very excited about
So
this.
excited. This is hilarious.
Play It Up color book.
Coloring book from Revlon. I thought this was actually so clever.
And you get all of these women with lipsticks, and then you get these crayons to, color them.
And this is PR with their new, I forgot what they're called. Right here, matte light crayon collection, Color Stay, with the colors in the front. I thought this was brilliant that they did that.
Is this the actual product, or is this just crayons?
This is literally crayons.
So this is not the real product?
No. I would not use that on paper. I would use that on my face.
Okay, so yeah, like red. Like
Look at how cool is that? Oh my gosh.
there we go.
Wow, that's
Look at that.
beautiful. Oh my goodness. I mean, this is actually really, really fun. Like, I even love the set of lips, this one right here, with all the different colors you can color inside. Who else likes coloring? I feel like that's so therapeutic. Remember when we just got married, I ordered a coloring book?
Yeah, I remember. We are bored, huh?
It's etched into his mind forever.
I think that's why he liked it so much. He's like, Milano's gonna love that.
All right, so I thought this was the best swag we got.
It's very inexpensive.
What about you?
It's not wasteful, and it's fun.
Yeah,
I mean, I feel
this
like
keeps
all
giving.
of them
This is
are
gonna
really
keep giving
interesting.
every time we color or emirate.
Yeah, I honestly think all of them are appropriate for what they're selling. The only thing I don't know was this, like Wonder Beauty, like why they sent wine, and especially fit vine with this band in the front. That's the only thing I don't understand. But I'm not complaining.
Okay, so this was fun, right?
Yes, it's actually really fun. Jackie always, when she opens the packages, she's like, starts laughing sometimes. I'm like, what is she laughing about? Thank you guys so much for watching, spending time with myself and Andre and Jackie. We'll see the next one very soon. Bye.
Bye.